right here I did not do on the color printer. That's all right. I got a big dartboard that's in color. So the target in the figure shown to the right contains 4 squares. A dart is thrown at random, hits the target. Find the probability that it will land on a green region. So it's going to hit the target, and what we need to do on this problem is this. Let me write the little question here. Find the probability that it hits, lands on, sticks the green region, or in a green part of the dartboard. So what I'll do is I'll have to do this. The probability of green is going to be something like this. It'll be the entire area of the dartboard on the bottom. Let's put an I in entire. The entire area of the dartboard. And in the top, it is the green area. So that's the number I need to calculate for this problem. Now, here's my big dartboard. And I'll figure this out. So as I look at the entire thing, it is a square. And I can see the number at the top, 12 inches. Now, the numbers for the dimensions, the 12 is this whole thing. I'll call it the blue frame, 12 by 12. And then the 9 inches, that's the outside part of the green frame. The 6 inches is the outside part of that blue frame in the middle. And then the 3 inches is the little green square in the middle. So let's get the entire dartboard first. The entire dartboard has area 12 times 12, which will equal 144 square inches. So that's going to be the denominator. And then I have to find the numerator. So the numerator will be the green area. What I'll do is, you can do this a couple of ways, but I'll do it maybe the easy way. That I think, now I'm calling it the easy way, but I'll tell you, when I was in your place, I would not have thought of doing it this way. But I thought of it now. So let me put a little bit extra paper under here because we're about to cut this dartboard. So I didn't bring scissors, but I brought this little cutter like this. All right, what I might do is cut out the green area. In fact, I'm saying that, but I'm going to cut the green frame, the big green frame. And what I might do is say, let's pretend the entire thing is green that I'm cutting. So I get this, the green part, and if that was completely green, what would the area be? Now the number at the top here, the 9, so that would be, I'm going to call it the big green frame. That would have area, let's write area in there, area of the big green frame if it was completely green. If that part is all green, that would be 9 times 9, which is 81. And you're going to say, well, wait a minute, it's not all green. There's that blue frame in there. So now we're going to cut the blue frame. And I'll pretend the small blue frame, let's write the word small in there. I'm going to pretend that it's entirely blue, like this whole thing is blue. So we'll cut that out. If I'm taking out the blue, I'm going to have to subtract. So let's see if I cut enough to grab that part. So there's my blue. Now what's the area of this blue frame? Remember, yeah, it's 6. And as I cut it, I'm thinking, I lost my 6 there, but I got to remember that the measure is right up there. So that is 6 times 6. And that's 36. And it's like, oh, well, wait a minute. We have to add in the small green square in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and cut again. I'll cut out the little green square. I guess I'll move that one out the way for now. Got that. And so here's our dartboard. The entire thing, and these smaller, some of them are frames, and the one in the middle. So the little square is 3 by 3, so that's going to be 3 times 3, and that's 9. Oh, I cut right through there. Okay, anyway, there's that. Now, we want, add this, subtract this, because that was blue, and then we're going to add in the other green. So it's going to be, for the top number, it'll be this, 81 minus 36 plus 9. And so 81 minus 36 plus 9 is what? Let's see, I had to grab my calculator. 81 minus 36 plus 9, 54. So the probability that it lands on the green region is going to be 54 over 144. And use your calculator to reduce that. 54 fraction key 144 is 3 over 8.